Hey folks, this is Motormind here. Just working on 1994 Mitsubishi Delica. Just doing a LED swap for the dome lamps. So I'm just going to show you here. So it looks like now this is incandescent and the regular bulbs. Kind of give you an idea here. There's for the map lights. It's the incandescent regular one. And that's the LED. So you can see it's a nice little difference there. Quite bright, not bad little package here. So I'll just give you an idea here. So first thing to do here is just grab here, put your little pressure on here. You can get the trim tools you want, but you don't really need it. Just push in there, the unit flops right down there, nice and easy. As you can see here, there's your incandescent bulb there. So we'll just push it, spread this apart, that pops right out. And I'm installing these LEDs like this. Now, LEDs are a semiconductor, so they only let electricity flow one way. So if you install them, I'll show you here, I'm opening the door here just to let the dome light come on. So that actually comes on, but if I flip it around, well, these ones here, seeing you operated, you must have polarity, but some of the polarities won't work in the opposite way. So you can see here, just put it like that, pop them in. Yeah, spread it out, nice and easy. This one here, this pops down here. Let's grab on there. As you can see, it's LEDs and incandescents. I'll give you an idea what I was talking about here. Let's pop this LED out, okay? And we take it and flip it over. There's a bulb up in there. Push that in, see, push the button, and it'll work, right? I'll pop that out again. Flip it over. Pop the bad boy back in there. Like so. A bit difficult to do this single-handed. No, see, works fine. So, as you can see, the LEDs they only work one way. So, just reach up in here, just give it a little wiggle, pops right out. We're going to grab one of the LEDs here. And here's a guy in there. I'm going to just push it right up in there. Find that it's kind of nice and gentle. So I give it a little push, and there you are. So once that's done, just pop this guy up in here, like that. In there, clips are up in there, nice and easy. Quite easy on these vehicles here to do. Not as much to take off. There. Clip that up in there. It all holds itself together. And there. Lovely triply. Open the door. And LED. And it looks lovely. And into the video here, I'm going to put up some pictures at night just to kind of show the light and to show how much light I get off these. I got these this set off of eBay. It wasn't very expensive. You got 23 different LEDs. I give you an idea. There she is there. And you get all sorts of different ones here. So you kind of take as you like. There's a lot of different links and stuff like that for different lights. So this is kind of a general kit that can work on several different kind of vehicles. It's not just fixed to just this particular brand, this particular model. They'll work on almost anything as long as you got those kind of bulbs. So just kind of have a look, let you know. There's a few more I'm going to do in this vehicle. I'll post them up in the video here, just in a little bit later. And also I'll stick up some videos and part of the video at the end of the video here, some pictures and stuff showing you what the end result looks like, how much light we get from them. So, just click that subscribe button. I'll put up as many videos as I can, just bits and bobs as I do. I got a few more things to do. I'm also going to do a headlamp conversion, LED headlamp conversion on this. I'm going to do I got my low beams already done. I'll kind of run over that, how I've done that, as well as I got my high beams. And this also has some fog lamps, like driving lamps that are attached to high beams. So I'll kind of run that over, and I'll show you what it looks like before and after. Alright guys, so here I am, just put the LED, working on that 1994 Mitsubishi Delica. And in the backlight here, if you see right here, grab here, there's a little tab, goes right inside there. Get close to there. to focus. Right in there. Just gonna put my finger. Just pop down. There's the little thing there. See, here's the front. I'm gonna pop it in there. And just gonna show you. Pop that on. There you are. And once again, I'll put a picture up. I took a before and after picture, so just so you have an idea. As you can see the front there. So that kind of gives you an idea what it looks like. I took a picture of it with no flash, so you can kind of see an idea before and after. Onto the front now. It's obviously it's quite dark out today, so as you can see, yeah, it does make a bit of a difference there. So yeah, we'll crack on here and we'll get the other ones done, and I'll put up pictures as and when I have had them done, just so you can see before and after.